So what you want to do when you're tracking these things is you want to measure them by weight using a scale. You want to measure them in either grams or ounces. A common mistake that people do is they will measure them using volume, so using cups or tablespoons or things like that. So we're going to use peanut butter as our example, something that is commonly mismeasured. I'm going to use my tablespoon. So if I use my tablespoon in here, I get a big scoop, which is something that we often do. We often go over. And if I put it on my scale, if I'm correct, it should say 16 grams. So let's see how close we are. And we have 22 grams. So in this instance, you're going over on your carbs and your fats. So if you times that by 2 to 3 times a day, and have that a couple times a week, you're over by many servings of peanut butter throughout the week, which results in you not hitting your goals and going over in your macros.